So now let's start take a look at this question. Is Roman to integer. So Roman numeral are represented by 7 different symbols. Like here, and you can see in the table. It's I mapping to 1, V mapping to 5, and so on. You can see, for example, 2 is written as 2I in Roman numeral. Just 2, 1 added together. 1, 2 is written as XII, which is simplified as here, and number 25 written as here. And you can see Roman numerals are usually written large to smaller from left to right. However, the numeral for 4 is not for I. Instead, the number 4 is written as IV because the 1 is before the 5. We subtract, making 4. And you can see it's the rule. So next I could end this table. I don't want wasting time to get this one. So I just quickly finish. And then using an example here, 3i, we know 1i represents 1. So 3i equal to 3. Okay, in these two examples. Now let's go through this question. I already have the table here. So now let me remove this one. So each time you can find down here have 1 digit, 1 letter or 2 letter. But each time we need to check. We need to check the the substring outside equal to 2. So which means we need to pick 2 letter and check the first 2 letter in the map or not. If yes, we just check what is the value for the the substring. So now we need to check. So we have 2 way. Pick 2 letter or pick 1 letter. So first time we always pick the 2 letter, 2 character. Make sure the 2 character contain the map. If not, we pick 1 letter in, and then we find in the character what is the mapping value. Now we check the MC. So we have pointer. Pointer always point to first character, and the first character will get the substring. MC. So now we check MC here or not? No. So now we just check the M. So when the M in the, okay, we find it. So we got a 1000. We can convert this M to 1000. Now, because we just P 1 digit, so the pointer just move 1 step, 1 character. Here C. Now, just keep doing the same step. Pick the substring CM. Now let's check. Okay, we find out CM in the map. So we just get 900. Now here, because we pick 2 letters, right? So we need to pick these 2 letters. So we need to point to here. Now doing the same thing, we also get the substring XC. What is an XC? Is 90, right? Now I will point to the pointer will point to I. We need to check IV. Okay, IV in the map, so we got 4. And finally we get this one. You can see 1994. Now let's code it up. So we have the I is pointer. We need to point to the first character, and then we have sum, and the return sum. And now we have while loop. I next name. So we need to do one thing. If I plus 1 less name as length, so we know why we doing this if condition, because we need to get the first 2 character. We need to get the substring. now here substring, oh, I plus 2, and then if values that contain key str, if yes, so we need to sum up and the values that get. Now here we know we need to skip 2 characters, so here needs to I increase by 1, and then continue. Okay, if this one we couldn't find, if we doesn't satisfy this condition, so we need to find just repeat. We just pick in the first character. Now I minus I plus 1, and now doing the same thing. We also need to sum up the just cap one new start get str. Now I plus. Let's run it. So you can see if I also on the test case. So why the time complexity is very low? Because I use the map. So actually you can if you want to improve the time complexity, you can use like helpful function, do some if multiple if statement here. If you got this one, for example, you got the IV, you just return 4. Just you create a help function. So I didn't use that. So if you in the help function, you can improve the time complexity. So thank you for watching this video.